courageous. Do not be frightened and do not be dismayed. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. It's so beautiful today. Hello. Spring break, it'll be packed. People on people on people, black people from everywhere. This is beautiful. I don't know like repercussions of it. Y'all, these birds are attacking me for these chips. Look. Look. Oh, it's too close. It's too close. Where are they? Oh, y'all saw that? Oh, it's too close, but they're still gonna come. Look. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. They took every crumb. Oh. Y'all, look how cute that is. Prom with me. We're tanning, guys. It feels good. It feels like it's gonna be cold. I know. Oh, it's cold? You don't feel the ground? Yeah, it is cold. Hell no. How are these people in the water? Yo, it is too cold. That immediately made me want to go pee. I need to pee. Wow. It's freezing, y'all. The water is too cold. Say hi. Y'all so cute. Yeah, we still in Miami Beach. We're about to go to Shalon on the beach. I've been here plenty of times, y'all. It tastes so good. It's Peruvian food. I don't think they have that here. We're walking around at Lincoln Road Mall. Look at this statue. Y'all, I live in Miami and like this is like my second time going to this mall. Maybe third. All my life. I'm a horrible vlogger today. I'm not really vlogging. So we're about to go into H&M, y'all. I just tried all these clothes on and I only like this one. It's the only one I like. It's cute and it has a slit in the back. Of course, when I wear my shaper, we gonna get it together, but this is cute. I look crazy. It's the only thing I like. I could dress it up, I could dress it down. So I think I'm only getting this. Yeah, that was a lot. I didn't mean to frighten you all, but this is what I'm looking like right now. I just did my skincare. I got these gold patches under my eye. They feel amazing right now. I just felt like doing a little self-care before I go to sleep tonight, y'all. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Well, technically Saturday now, y'all. It's like 1 in the morning and we have a lot of catching up to do, y'all. The last thing y'all saw was my best friend and I at the beach, I think, something like that. So let's backtrack through the whole week. I'm gonna try to make it quick. Monday was Valentine's Day, y'all. I honestly and truly enjoyed my Valentine's Day, y'all, and I did absolutely nothing. The only thing that I did was I got me this strawberry bouquet. I love dipped strawberries in white chocolate, not regular milk chocolate, but white chocolate. Top tier A1. It was so good. Y'all, it's so cute. Look. So freaking pretty. A bouquet of strawberries. So smart. I love it. Y'all, these are so cute. My brother also got me some cheesecake. He's so sweet. Then, yeah, that was my Valentine's Day was oh yeah, my best friend came in that day. So Monday she came in. Was it Monday or Tuesday? Whatever day that was, I think it was a Tuesday. Yeah, Valentine's Day was a Tuesday. Yeah, so that was that. So Valentine's Day was great. Usually I do feel a little down on Valentine's Day because, you know, I'm single. You just do a lot of reflecting. But this Valentine's Day, I was very much happy, y'all. I don't know what it was. I was just in a really great mood. Like, I had a couple people say, you're in a really good mood today. Like, I can just tell. And I'm like, I know I am. Like, it was a good day. I don't know. I just really enjoyed. I just really was in a great mood that day. I just thank God for that. Best friend came in the town that night. She's a flight attendant. I was so happy to see her, y'all. We went and got Haitian food, came back, and then we watched You People on Netflix. So freaking good and funny. You have to watch it if you haven't watched it already. Then we went to the beach. We just did a whole lot of, I didn't really record too much. We went shopping at Lincoln Mall, like just a whole bunch of things. And it was really fun. I really enjoyed my time with her. Her cousin was also in town too. She's a flight attendant, and it just worked out. The next day, I don't think I recorded at all. We just went to her aunt's house. I dropped her off. We had to say our goodbyes. And y'all, when we went to the beach, tell me why. When we left the parking garage, there was a woman on the floor. There was a lady on the floor. And she was laid out with her foot bent and blood rushing down the road. I promise y'all, that was the craziest thing I've ever seen. My best friend kept saying, this looks like a movie. Are they shooting a movie? No, this was real life. So my best friend's cousin is a nurse, so she was trying to go to the scene to see what's up, and it was like back away. She jumped from the parking garage. Y'all, when you look up, it's like 6 stories. I was so shocked. I've never seen nothing like that. The only thing I could do was walk away, y'all. I promise I was about to burst into tears. Like, that was the craziest thing I've ever seen. I was like, I'm sorry, best friend. Like, this what you gotta see coming to Miami? I mean, she's from Miami, so she know. Miami Beach. Y'all, I promise I only go out there if I'm with a group of friends. Like, I rarely go out there, y'all. It's too much going on. I stay in my area, okay? So yeah, y'all, now we're here. It's Friday. I'm preparing for Galentine's Day brunch tomorrow. It's gonna be fun, y'all. Our annual Galentine's Day brunch. I'm gonna link last year's Galentine's Day brunch. This one should be fun. I'm currently styling my hair, y'all. Y'all gonna get a sneak peek. So watch me style my hair. So that's what I'm done rambling. I want to look like a fine girl tomorrow, y'all. Tomorrow morning, ooh, I'm going to be looking so good. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. But y'all watch me style this wig tonight.
I get wrong. So know I ain't the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corner. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world.
Ooh, y'all see my friend? Ooh, okay. She look good, y'all. The snatched wig. OMG. Look, you can't tell me you look like Carisha right now.
Girl, I'm from Miami.
You look so good, y'all. This is our reunit, y'all. She looks good. Her dress is from her business, Shop Exuberance. Yes, it's so cute. Y'all, we finally made it to Nikki Beach. Y'all, parking was hell, y'all, hell. But we made it. I'm ready to eat, y'all. Y'all, it's so pretty here. I should have brought my tripod. I always forget my tripod. How? I like to smell the beach. Y'all, this strawberry mojito is so good from Nikki. What you said? This is my appetizer. I got lemon pepper calamari. The mojito is busting. It's so good. Y'all, I love calamari. I can't believe it. All right, y'all, my food is here. It looks so good. Right, y'all. Galentine's Day brunch was a success. Now we're about to get some insomnia cookies. Y'all, this cookie's so good. Ooh, I'm gonna get some cookies. About a corn dog. A pencil is wild. Yeah, the corn dog like that. It gives me such disappointment. Shit. And then they can't even we are going to eat again, and we about to go to this lounge. So we're in a ride. I have. We are grabbing some pizza, y'all. We are about to eat and take a shot of this lemon drop. Somebody count down. 3, 2, 1. Cheers, Galentine! Woo! I ain't get it. Compose is that spot. Don't play with it. Oh. You better go get your daddy. You better go get your